ये जलसा हमारा ये दिन बरकतों के खुदा की इनायत और शफ़क़तों के।
The annual convention of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Qadian, India will inshallah be taking place from the 24th to the 26th of December 2021. Hazrat Amir al-Momineen, the worldwide head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, will inshallah be delivering the concluding address from Islamabad, Tilford, with live links from Qadian. MTA International will inshallah be broadcasting the full concluding session on Sunday the 26th of December at 10:30 GMT.